Today, these are some of the fruit that really help in the immune system of your body and building your immune system and removing a lot of fats and contents in your body that's not supposed to be there to keep you healthy, like lemons. Lemons have a lot of vitamin C. They have antioxidants in them that really fights off bacteria, and it supports your immune system a lot. Lemons remove the fat out of your body when you're eating things that you're not supposed to eat. It's really good for you. I use lemon when I'm using too much sugar, and I would take drops of lemon and put it in my food to remove the sugar content out. So try a drop of lemon in your tea at night before you go to bed. It's amazing. Now, bananas have a lot of potassium in them, and I eat like a fourth of a banana a day. I also use banana in my juices. Also, grapes are very good for your fiber in your body, and grapes really keep your immune system moving and your metabolism moving in a faster way. So I really do love grapes. The other thing that I like are strawberries, blueberries. They just have a lot of antioxidants in them. Strawberry is best for a good healthy snack. Foods that you eat with a touch of strawberry in your salads. Oranges, the same thing, has a lot of vitamin D in it, and oranges will help you build your immune system as well. I eat oranges in my salads and eat oranges for snacks. I boil oranges for the aroma of the orange smell that I inhale, and it's really good for me, and you as well. Now, cucumbers I use for a drink that I drink in the morning that is really good for your cholesterol and your blood pressure. So I make a cucumber drink that I really like in the morning, a cup of it with cucumber and garlic and apple cider vinegar. And then I place cucumbers in my salads. I eat cucumbers with apple cider vinegar when I want a snack with a little salt and pepper. Try your cucumber today. Apples are very, very good for fiber and water flushes. Apple really flushes out the toxins in your. You really want an apple a day. Keep the doctor away. That's what they tell me. And the last thing is pineapples. Pineapples are really good for you. Pineapples are really good with keeping down blood clots in your body. Vitamin C, antioxidants, good antioxidant. Really no side effects. It's just to have a tangy taste to it. And once I get past that tangy taste, pineapples are really good for you. I cook pineapples in my candied yams. I eat pineapples for snacks as well. I just love the fact that pineapples really keep down lower blood clots and really just a really good healthy snack for you. Items, fruity items, really you take heed to them and start paying attention to what you can eat on a daily basis, snack on a daily basis, and really help you out with building your immune system. But you know your body, I know my body, and so you know what to do when, like apple cider vinegar, when your blood pressure's up. Take a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar, or things like that. I just thank you for stopping by my Wednesday Wellness. I thank you for stopping by Simple Cooking with Braden Brand, and I really wish you keep coming back on Wednesday and look at all the type of wellness things that we can do to help our health and increase our immune system. It'll be really great. Sometimes I just store my pineapples up for later in the refrigerator, and sometimes I go ahead and use them right then. And then I take them and cut them up in small pieces so that I can add them to my drinks, my juicing drinks that I drink in the morning and the evenings and things like that. When you get to the store, buy you some grapes and some blueberries and blackberries and apples and oranges and lemons and all the fresh products you can buy. Bag it up, and here's what I do. I will bag it up and I will put it in the freezer until I'm ready to really use it. And I would normally bag it up in sections so I'll know how much I'm going to use per each juice drink that I make. See, I mix it all up, and there it is. All my mixed vegetables, and I add my kale, and my spinach, and my coconut water, and I add just a little bit of honey, not a lot. I add my carrot juice, and I think that's about it. And I grind it all up in my juicer. And now I'm ready. You see? Here we go. Ready to go in the freezer. Ready to use whenever I'm ready to use it. I thank you for stopping by Wednesday Wellness.